Okay, today we're gonna be doing
me with
last to leave the stage.
Is murder an option? Is murder an option?
No, it is not.
No.
Can you murder
Okay,
me real quick?
The
just
last
because?
to leave the stage will get
we
a
cannot
very
murder you.
rare item, and this is not.
Okay.
This is actually part of it. You will.
Can
get
I
a
grab something
item.
for entertainment real quick?
No, I can. What do you want?
It started.
Yes,
It started?
The video started. I can walk off the thing because I am the host. What were you gonna use?
You won me. Nothing.
Okay.
Oh,
Can I get a drum set?
I was gonna eat a lot of broccoli.
Can I get it?
Fine, you can go get it. It will not count as it will not count as him walking off, and you cannot eat broccoli.
What counts as getting off the stage?
If you just walk off by, like, you have to ask me if you want to get something, then you can get it. Hey, technically you're not standing on the stage, man. You're out.
Well,
No.
no.
Put it down. Let me have a second chance. He did.
You weren't very specific with the rules. You said on the stage. I was above the stage.
I wasn't
I was in
talking
the
to
area
you.
of the stage.
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to him.
Wait, so am I allowed to go as high as I want?
Yes, just as long
as I'm in the area of the stage?
Yes, you can even go up here. Oh God, my stick!
So I can just go up here.
Oh God! No! Assault him!
What's left?
Oh shit! My stick! Oh my God, he just killed himself.
Ah.
I can relate.
No. What's life? When's the play getting on? What should be the first challenge?
First challenge is pass the grenade.
Oh.
Nope.
Actually, no. We should make it pass the dynamite. Pass the dynamite. So, okay, everybody. Hey, where was that other person?
Right here.
Come down
in the
here.
corner. I'm in the
Okay.
corner.
Okay, then pass it to someone else. No, you have to take it. He walked off the stage. He's eliminated.
He walked off the
Bro.
stage.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, he lost anyways. He lost anyways. Oh my
Okay, let's do some more past the dynamite.
Shouldn't you use sticky dynamite or something?
No.
I'll just wait till the last second to pass it to one of you.
I don't know about that. Fine, I'll give you a second chance. That's your last chance. You better not walk
Are we
off.
gonna get off
You
the
ain't-
stage for any of the challenges?
Oh. Okay. First to get killed by the lake gets something rare.
First to what?
Get killed by the lake. Oh, okay. It seems like
I died from
Black
the lake.
Black
I
got it.
thought we weren't
Black
allowed to
got
get
it.
off the stage.
Well, this was one of the challenges.
Okay.
Okay, you got it. Let me show you the item.
I need to get a new toy. That you threw away my other toy.
You get that. I don't know, it's big. Don't shred it. That's part of the video.
I'll put it in my golden revolver collection. But bro,
Okay. After
don't take my toy.
let the second game begin.
It's mine.
Hey, give him back his stuff. Give him back his
Give it
stuff. Give it back.
Hello.
Give it back.
Kill him. Raid him. Bruh. You can't kill each other.
No.
let the second monkey games begin. Okay, everybody get back onto the stage.
Get on the stage.
Ooh,
Get down. Get down, other
Wu-Tang,
person.
Wu-Tang.
Get down.
Hey, I'm back. I'm back. I'm sorry.
Get down.
I'm down.
Okay. First to get killed by a landmine. Go, everybody. Okay, I gotta
I
erase.
don't wanna.
Gotta go. Okay. Well, then I guess you ain't getting anything rare. Wait. He died first. Black died first. Black died first. Huh. Diet. Don't respawn. Don't respawn. I'll get you. Huh. Huh. Okay, just kind of swim down to your body. I jumped too high.
I'm in, my buddy.
Black one. Black one.
One.
Now you have one win. You have to get. Okay, this first challenge. Okay, you have one win. You need to get 3 to get a prize. Everybody
Mister,
come
can
over.
Can I get my pogo sticks back?
Yeah. If it's to retrieve an item, it is fine to walk off the stage.
Okay.
Oh no! Oh, hey, please, I'm just trying to give it back. Okay. I need to get my stick. Where'd my stick go? Hey, where'd that other person, the blue guy?
The stick is over
Blue
there.
guy, where'd you go?
I was climbing up really high.
I was climbing up really high.
Let the third game begin. First to get killed by the ogre. And you can only do it in the forest. You cannot do it in the twilight area. I don't know, the twilight zone. Again, the rules is first to get killed by the ogre.
I need to still die, so I'm just gonna let him kill me. I'm just gonna let him kill me.
He won! This man won! Black won the third game. This is his second win.
It's a third one, actually.
The first one, you get a prize and it doesn't count as a win. I am going to bring you back your items.
I don't need them.
Have a new transportation way. This is the best way of transportation. Yon, can I get that? Can I get my revolver back?
Yes. Every contestant, come back to the stage.
Where are you?
Blue,
Hey, Blue,
please
where are
come
you?
down.
I'm down.
The fourth
I'm
game
down.
will begin.
What's the fourth game?
Can you guys help me think of something?
First to give you a
Back
first to
shot.
give you the cosmic and like the thing, the jukebox, the boombox, and space wins.
Okay. Let's all go to space.
Okay.
Hey, you guys gotta wait for me. Too. This
I know
is
the route.
the Monkey Games. Squid Game.
Oh, oopsies.
You don't
I
wait, we
I didn't mean to press it, I swear.
Yeah, he didn't mean to press it. Wait, where did he go?
Oh,
Here.
it's right there.
Where's
Does
that
it
other
start?
contestant?
Does it start?
It has started. Right now. I will be sitting inside of the rocket. First to grab it wins.
I have it. I got it.
You have to give it to me now.
Take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have like 3 points. You can have that back.
No one can do us anything about that. The only way to turn it off, go get that backpack. That's the only way to turn it off.
Everybody go back to the planet Earth.
What were you doing this whole time?
Hey.
Ow.
First to
First
get
to
killed
what?
by something in the office. Wait for the blue guy or not. The office. The office.
Oh.
Here.
He's going that way, bro.
I don't think he knows where
How
the
many
office
kills?
is. I have to follow you guys.
He's gonna die before us. He's gonna die before us. I already know it.
I'm very good at this. Whap, whap.
He did the.
I won.
He won.
How?
I went through the one like TV screen in the spawn room to get to the office quicker, and then died to the robot lady.
You have 1 point. Blue. Wait a minute. That's a 2.9 Colt 350. That man hurt. He knows everything. Okay. Wasn't this like the 5th game? Okay, the 6th game will begin. Everybody get to the stage.
Let me get on.
I cooked on that one.
Yes,
The
you
only
did.
one I've
Very-
ever cooked on.
Okay.
Where's my pogo stick?
There's the guy. The guy still.
Give it to me.
The guy took it.
Okay. Now is it ready to make the 6th game start?
I thought that was the second. Whatever.
I thought that was the 5th game. That was the
was.
5th game.
Oh, I haven't been
sixth-
keeping track.
The 6th game will begin. First to get killed in mines. You can get killed by any monster. Wait, I need to get in there so then I can see if someone dies first. Which way did everybody go? We had to go this way. Well, they couldn't have gone this way.
Bro, was it only monsters or just mines or just?
Anything. Getting killed by anything in the mines. Was it you? Were you the first to get killed, Black?
He got killed by he got killed by a spider, and before that I just got killed by the
So who won?
me.
You said first to get killed by a monster.
It wasn't monster, I said anything.
Come back to mine. Come back to. Where is it not?
Okay, you're right there.
The only reason I'm mad is because that was my first idea, is to get killed by the goo, because I knew it was the fastest way to die.
Okay. Just to not cause a conflict, Blue, you will get the win.
Okay.
I just don't want to cause a fight to happen. Okay, the 7th game shall begin. Okay, let me... First to get killed by Angler in any map.
Oh, I'm going here.
Well, it seems you have all picked this map. Nothing is ever as it seems. That planet Earth is slowly going on this
Let's go!
Oh shit!
Oh, I have to kill him.
It was to get killed, not kill him!
Just kill me.
Blue, was it you? Blue, was it you that got killed?
Yes, it was.
It was.
Blue, you have a, like, 3rd win, I think.
Yeah.
You, get a prize. Somehow I was the only one that didn't end up getting killed. I haven't died except once.
2 golden revolvers, that's fancy.
Now let's put a
Somebody
twist
said
on
something there.
things. First to
What?
kill the spider in mines.
Yeah, no, I'm not winning.
Okay, just wait. No, wait for everybody
No.
to get a weapon.
No, I'm not winning. I already know.
I know it would take a lot of this, so
Bro, just compete. That's what this is for.
what are we doing this for again?
To be fair, you
Prize.
never really gave us a purpose
Okay.
to compete.
Okay, take a golden revolver and let's go.
No, I don't need it.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what the price is yet.
Oh, I'm gonna go over and kill him.
This is the big prize that you will win at the end. Whoever wins. What I have on my I think they're already in the thing. Say I through the radio whoever kills the spider first. Oh my god, everybody got killed. I had to leave the game for a second because if I would have died, I would have lost my thing. So I'm gonna have to rejoin. You guys not like the competition or something? Oh, I decided to go. Okay, everybody get back to the stage.
Alright. I'm on the stage already. You just can't see me. Who else is on the stage? It's not loading.
The blackbird didn't. The black guy with the little bird mask left apparently.
Just letting you know, I'm in the wall, so that's fine.
Oh.
I'm just in the wall, don't worry, it's fine. It's normal, trust.
Okay, first
I can leave at any second. Like, I can leave right now. Look.
Um.
I'm so cool. Don't ask. Hello's in the wall.
First get killed by that weird shredder. Wait, does the brown guy have 0 points?
Yes.
Blue, you have 4 points. Everybody go back to the thingy. The next game shall begin. First, to get into the weird little pocket dimension in the little machine. And get back. And yes, you can die.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, I'm back.
Put it under him. What is this man doing? What the hell are you doing, man? Okay. T-A-T-E. Okay, the next game will begin. This next game is Pass the Dynamite.
Can there only be one winner?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, so this is the last game.
Yes.
Let me blow this kid up.
Do it. Let's do it. Bruh. Kill him!
He did it himself, don't worry.
He killed himself.
You died. I think he also killed you.
Yes, he did. This is my second death.
I took your stick.
Don't touch my jelly. Like blue cheese, because it's really smelly. I have been filming the whole time. Okay. The last game shall begin. It is it is kind of non-known Animal Company game. It is called Pass the Dynamite, and you have to light it up. And once you get past it, you have to instantly throw it to someone else. And I am not a contestant. I'm not a contestant. Oh, yeah. Blue. You have won.
Yay! Hold up. I
Why
think
are
I
you
need to do
dancing?
something to celebrate.
Oh my god.
This is no PvP, isn't it? Whatever. I still got to shoot him.
Prize!
Whatever.
Oh my god. Okay. All contestants, I need help finding the prize.
You know, the funny thing is the guy that probably would have won left.
I know. The prize has actually straight up disappeared after I got exploded. Oh my god, I need to find it.
You know, I think the prize could have gotten incinerated.
Probably. Well, I
Whatever, I don't really care.
can give you a different prize. Don't leave.
No, it doesn't. I don't even need a prize. It's fine.
Bro, just take the prize.
Nah, I did it for fun.
Take the golden egg. Hey! That was for him. Take it, little guy.
Thank you. I'm gonna turn it into an omelet.
And this is where
Hold
the
up.
video shall end.